Alright, thanks for clicking. Welcome to my channel. To this video, we're going to be changing a watch battery on a kid's watch here. And there's conceivably a way to do this, but if you kind of pick at it, you're like, what is going on here? So let me show you and hopefully help you out. I've got an old school Boy Scout pocket knife here from my childhood. You can obviously grab anything with a sharp edge and very carefully, I'm just trying to find an edge there and pry that up. Don't want that to slip and cut you, so don't push on it, just kind of move it to try to find an edge to the back of the watch. And check this out. Once we've got the back out, we're going to remove this piece very carefully. There's a little plastic piece that kind of holds things into place and thus revealing the watch battery. You can see that little round thing right there. You see that? And it's a little awkward to put my meaty fingers in there to get that out. So I'm going to use the tip of the knife and just gently kind of encourage it upward, just like that. Now we've got the watch battery out. That is good news for us. Now we're going to find the number. So find that number for the watch battery and write that down. It should be imprinted very smallly on the actual battery itself. And we're going to go to Amazon and actually order that, or order it anywhere you feel fit. I'll put a link in the description below for some various battery options that are high quality that won't break the bank. So the new one came a couple of days later, and voila, we're just going to reverse the process. Kind of awkward to get it situated in there, but make sure it's oriented the correct way, just like you took it out. That smooth surface with the numbers facing up, just like it was before. And then we'll put that little plastic cap back on as shown. Obviously, your watch may be a little different. You might not have that plastic piece or whatnot, but this hopefully will help you in terms of simple concept, where the battery is generally located, how to get the back of the watch off. And we're going to point that back of the watch, kind of orient it so the writing is facing north and south as opposed to wonky sideways, because I'm super anal like that. But we'll go ahead and pop that back on. You don't need the knife or anything to put it back on. Just press it down with your thumbs there. Make sure it's press down on all sides, nice and even, and that should do it. You'll be able to set your watch from there, however you are able to do that, but you can see it is working again. So we'll stop the video there. Hopefully this has helped you out. Thanks so much.